Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to fix low microphone volume on Windows 10 or 11. So on both systems you can easily do this, and it's pretty simple. And you can just start by navigating to your settings and then going into system. This is going to be on Windows 11. Then you go sound, and in here under input you'll have your microphone and of course the corresponding volume. So as you can see, as I speak, there's this blue line that says, okay, I'm hearing you, the microphone works. And this slider pretty much allows you to adjust how loud your microphone is in a certain app, for example, in Discord or something. And the other way to do this, guys, is if you're on Windows 11, you go to more sound settings. On Windows 10, this is completely the same, just like on Windows 11. And in here you go to recording, and as you can see, there's my microphone, the default device that I use. And you go to properties, levels, and in here just make sure your microphone is at 100%. So that you have the maximum volume. So two ways for you guys, and to do this on pretty much bring up this window on Windows 10. Let me show you. So you just navigate to hardware and sound, then sound, and now as you can see, wait, let me do this again. You open this up, and as you can see, the same window. Recording, choose the microphone properties and levels. There you go, guys. Enjoy. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.